Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload Instagram stories on your PC. So first go to instagram.com. Alright, so once you're here, all you have to do is right click and then click on inspect. Alright, so once you're here, on here you can see this option for device toolbar. You have to click this, so just click this, and once you have done this, you can see the option for dimension responsive. Click here and then click on any phone, so I'm just going to select this. Alright, so now let's refresh. So once you have done that, you can see this option for adding stories, so just click here. Now select any photos from the device, so I'm just going to select this. Let's block this and just click on add to a story. Alright, so that is how you can add Instagram stories from your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.